టు ఫిజిక్స్ అడ్డా. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి కైనామెటిక్స్. ఇది టీఎస్ ఎంసెట్ వాళ్ళకి. ఫస్ట్ కైనామెటిక్స్లో బేసిక్ టు అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ ఫస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి మోషన్. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై మోషన్? మోషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ బాడీ change position with respect to time. ఒక బాడీ అనేది సమయంతో పాటు చేంజ్ అయితే దాని మోషన్ అని అంటాం. అదే రెస్ట్ అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్ విత్ టైం. This is a basic definition of kinematics, most important. And next, distance. Distance is a actually path followed. అంటే మన చేసే ట్రావెల్ పాత్ పై డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ పాత్. అండ్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. It is not a depend on path. Path independent of path. దీని ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏంటంటే a man travel to A to B in different path. And distance ఏమో path 1 and path 2 and path 3 is different. Two not equal to path 3. అదే డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అనుకో. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అయితే అది ఓన్లీ షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏబి మధ్య షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమైతే ఉంటుందో అదే డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఏ vector quantity and it is a magnitude and direction, both are present. And suppose position, final position minus initial position. And the important point is this distance always greater or equal to displacement. It's important. And next, distance equal to displacement when it is in straight line. And and next most important formula, distance Suppose point A to B, x comma y comma z, and x1 comma y1 comma z1. The distance between A and B under root x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1 whole square. It is a distance formula. And next discuss about the average velocity. And velocity and velocity. What is mean a velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of position with respect to time. Velocity law and divide into two types: average velocity and instantaneous velocity. What is mean by average velocity? Average velocity is denoted by v equal to change in position by total time. That is x final minus x initial by t2 minus t1. This is the average velocity, and instantaneous velocity is a instantaneous velocity is a small change of position and with time. Suppose a man travel the A to B, the small distance is a travel in position is a dx at a time dt. The instant, this means instant velocity is the change in position by change in time is the instant velocity, instantaneous velocity. This is a small, very small. And the next, average speed. Average speed. Average speed is the total distance by total time. And average speed is greater or equal at the average velocity. And explain with a small example. A man travel to 0.02 0.14 and return back to 6. Displacement is it is 0.0 to 0.14 వరకు at t is equal to 2 seconds and 0.14 నుంచి 6 వరకు 3 seconds. Displacement is shortest distance is 6 and distance is 14 plus 6 is equal to 20, and average velocity is a 6 by total time and 3 plus 5 is 2 plus 3 is 5. Average speed is 14 plus 6 by 2 plus 3 is equals 20 by 5. This is a displacement and distance and average velocity and average speed. And next discuss about graphs. I draw a graph position and time. This graph explained by a ball thrown upward and returned back to ground. In this top position or maximum height, the velocity will be with 0. It is a maximum height. In this velocity is 0. It is h maximum. It is initial position, final position. This is at 10 meters and to ground. Distance is a equal 10 plus 10 equal to 20, but displacement is a 0. This is a 0. It is a variable velocity and a constant velocity is graph is it is a constant velocity. Is the x2 graph straight line is a constant velocity. Constant velocity. ఇప్పుడు ఆవరేజ్ వెలాసిటీ గురించి చూద్దాం. ఆవరేజ్ వెలాసిటీ, take some example. X is equal to t square plus 4t plus 10. Average velocity is a change in position by total time. That means the final position minus initial position by t2 minus t1. Square plus 4t plus 10. X is equal to t square plus 4t plus 10. At time t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to 2 seconds. X is equal to t is equal to 0, 0 plus 10, 10, and t is equal to 2 second, 4 plus 8 plus 10, 18 plus 22. Total time is 2 seconds. Distance is average average velocity is final position is 22 minus 10 by 2 seconds 11 22 ಗೆಲ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ 12 by 2 6 and instantaneous velocity is a v is called dx by dt t square plus 4t plus 10 differentiation with respect to time 2t plus 4 plus 10 t is equal 0 second is equal to 4 plus 10 is 14 and t is equal to 2 second 4 plus 4 plus 10 8 plus 80 total time is 2 seconds. ಮತ್ತು ಆ instantaneous velocity is 18 minus 14 by 2 seconds 4 by 2 ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంటుంది 0 because of constant derivative is 0 ఇది only 4 ఇది only 8 8 minus 4 2 4 by 2 is equal to 2 our next example is a x is equal to 8t square minus 16t plus 5 at t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to 2 second. Average velocity t is equal to 0 second is 5 t is equal to 2 second 8 into 4 minus 16 into 2 plus 5 equal to 5 and t is equal to 0 second 5 and t position t is equal to 0 second position is a 5 meters and t is equal to 2 seconds position also 5 seconds. That means the t is equal to 1 second 8 minus 16 plus 5 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. That means a man start initially 5 at t is equal to 0 second and final also t is equal to 2 second and at t is equal to 5 at t is equal to 1 second minus 3 and middle is x is equal to 0 position x is equal to minus 3 and a man travel minus 3 to return back to the same position. It is a turning point and total distance is 8 plus the 5 the plus 3 mala return 3 plus 5 total 8 plus 8 by total time 6 2 16 by 2 8 And next discuss about the acceleration. Acceleration is a two type: average acceleration and instantaneous acceleration. Average acceleration and instantaneous acceleration. First discuss about average acceleration. Average acceleration is a change in velocity by time. Velocity final minus velocity initial by total time taken. And instantaneous acceleration is equal to change in velocity by change in time. It is very small, very small, 0.0001 small, very small, instantaneous. Then that means it is very small. And average acceleration, a small example explained by a small example. Suppose velocity 0 at time t is equal to 0 second, and velocity is 10 at t is equal to 1 second. Velocity is 20 at t is equal to 2 second. Velocity is 30 at t is equal to 3 second. The average acceleration is equal to 10. It is clear. Velocity change in 10. The average acceleration is 10. It is clear. And next discuss about the one of the most point is acceleration is decrease, velocity is not a decrease, not a decrease. Explained by with graphs. Graphs are explained the instantaneous velocity and average velocity. And suppose a dry y-axis is x-axis, a dry slope from point A to B. Find the slope. Find slope అంటే tan theta. Tan theta is a vertical component by an horizontal component is del x by del y by del x. This is slope. And in this graph, in terms of time and position, and I will draw this position and it is time, and draw a graph point A to B. It is y2 minus y1 by t2 minus t1. This is called x2 minus x1 in y. In this y axis, it is x position I take, and x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1 equal to change in position by total time. It is a average. This is the velocity. Average velocity. It is clear. I will explain again. The slope of xt graph is a average velocity, and draw it. I will draw again. Draw it tangentially. This small change in position and time, small change in the tangentially line joining is instantaneous velocity. It is draw a slope in this tan theta equal to dx by dt is equal to instantaneous velocity. It is clear. It is clear. And some summary rasa and clear అర్థమవుతుంది. And first point is xt graph slope is a velocity, and xt graph draw a tangentially that is means instantaneous velocity. And next about discuss about, and suppose position and time graph, draw a straight line, it is a constant velocity, and a xt graph is straight line is a constant velocity, and discuss about AT. Discuss about VT, velocity and time graph. The slope of VT graph, is a acceleration. That means in this slope, it is acceleration will be is 0. And I will discuss in next class.